General knowledge, questions and answer of honors and award. Firoz Gandhi Award is associated with answer journalism. The journalist who refused to accept Padma Bhushan was answer Khushwant Singh. Saraswati Samman is given annually for outstanding contribution to answer literature. Sarad Joshi Samman is awarded for answer satire and essay. B.C. Roy Award is given in the field of answer medicine. Which of the following award was conferred on Mrs. Kiran Bedi? Answer Magsaysay. Who is the first non-Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? Answer Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. Who among the following is not a recipient of Bharat Ratna? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Global 500 awards are given for the outstanding achievement in which of the following field? Answer protection of environment. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in the field of answer literature and journalism. Who among the following is not a recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer Ramanand Sagar. Tansen Samman has been instituted by the government of answer Madhya Pradesh. The first Indian to receive the Youth Thant Award for Cultural Understanding was answer Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Jawaharlal Nehru Award is given for answer International Understanding. The UNESCO Prix Jules Verne Prize has been given to which of the following serials of Doordarshan? Answer Turning Point. Which among the following personalities got the India's highest civilian awards? Answer Madan Mohan Malviya. The Cannes Award is given for excellence in the field of answer films. Grammy Award is given in the field of answer music. Who among the following won the Nobel Prize for Literature? Answer Samuel Beckett. Which of the following famous financial journals of international repute confers Finance Minister of the Year award? Answer Euromoney. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award is given by which of the following organization? Answer Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. The Nobel Prize was first awarded in answer 1901. On which name is the highest award for services to the development of the cinema given? Answer Dada Saheb. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award are given for Answer: outstanding contribution to science. To whom was Bharat Ratna awarded in 1999? Answer: Amartya Sen. Who was awarded the first Rajiv Gandhi National Sadbhavana Award? Answer: Mother Teresa. Which of the following is India's highest honor in the field of literature? Answer: Jnanpith Award. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Indian lady actress to receive the Padma Shri Award? Answer: Nargis Dutt. Who among the following Indian has been honored by a special Oscar? Answer: Satyajit Ray. Which country awards the Nobel Prize? Answer: Sweden. Who among the following Indian artists is the winner of Oscar Award? Answer: Bhanu Athaiya. The Oscar Award was won 36 times by. Answer: Charlie Chaplin. The first Indira Gandhi Award for International Justice and Harmony has been given to. Answer: Yasser Arafat. In 1901, Nobel Prize was not given for. Answer: Economics. Who among the following is the recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer: Durga Khote. Murti Devi Award is given annually in which of the following field? Answer: Literature. The Chameli Devi Award is given to an outstanding woman is a. Answer: Journalist. Who among the following got the Bharat Ratna Award before becoming the President of India? Answer: Dr. Zakir Hussain. Meghanath Saha Award is given for outstanding contribution in which of the following fields? Answer: Science. Goldman Award are given for outstanding contribution in which of the following fields? Answer: Protection of environment. Ramon Magsaysay Award is named after the former president of. Answer: Philippines. Who among the following has received both Bharat Ratna and Nishan-e-Pakistan? Answer: Moraji Desai. Which of the following awards was instituted by the Indian National Congress in its centenary years? Answer: Indira Gandhi Award. Which one of the following awards was instituted by the K.K. Birla Foundation? Answer: Saraswati Samman. Which one of the following is a spacecraft? Answer: Cassini. When did Amnesty International win the Nobel Prize? Answer: 1977. The first black American to win the Nobel Prize for Literature is answer Toni Morrison. Which of the following films won 7 Oscar awards in 1991? Answer Dances with Wolves. Tansen Samman has been instituted by the government of answer Madhya Pradesh. Orange Prize is given in the field of answer literature. The first Indian to share the Oscar award was answer Bhanu Athaiya. Jesse Owens Global Award is given in the field of answer sports. Indian cricketer who received Padma Shri 2017 award is answer Virat Kohli. Dronacharya award is given to answer coaches. Who of the following was awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously? Answer Jayaprakash Narayan. Who among the following was the first Indian to receive the Templeton Award? Answer Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Who is the first Indian woman to receive in Borlaug Award and in which year? Answer Dr. Amita Patel in 1992. Who among the following has not received a Nobel Prize in Literature? Answer Churchill. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature was answer C.V. Raman. Who was the first Indian to be honored with a Lifetime Achievement Oscar Award? Answer Satyajit Ray. The recipient of the first Murti Devi Literacy Award is answer C.K. Nagaraja Rao. Who was the first person to receive a Jnanpith Award for a Telugu work? Answer Vishwanatha Satyanarayan. Kalinga Prize is associated with which of the following field? Answer Science. Who among the following received the Nobel Prize twice in a different subject? Answer Madame Curie. Who among the following is the first Asian winner of Nobel Prize? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. The World Food Prize is given by which of the following organizations? Answer Kraft General Foods. Which of the following authors owns the Booker Prize twice? Answer J.M. Coetzee. Which Indian anti-hunger activist will be honored with the 2017 Queen's Young Leader Award? Answer Ankit Kawatra. Saraswati Samman is given annually for outstanding contribution to answer literature. Which Indian personality has been selected for France's highest civilian award? Answer Soumitra Chatterjee. In which categories did Marie Curie wins her two different Nobel Prize? Answer: Physics and Chemistry. Who has become first woman player from Jharkhand who has been awarded Dhyan Chand Award? Answer: Samurai Tete. Which state gives Mewar Award? Answer: Rajasthan. Who has been selected for the 2016 National Geoscience Award in the field of Geo-Environment Studies? Answer: Keshav Krishna. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Answer: Paramveer Chakra. Dilip Sardesai Award is awarded to the following cricketer. Answer: Rohit Sharma. Arjun Award was introduced in dash. Answer: 1961. Who was the first non-human to win an Oscar? Answer: Mickey Mouse. Who has been awarded the Jnanpith Award for the year 2017? Answer: Krishna Sobti. Who has become the first Asian to chosen for prestigious Von Hippel Award? Answer: C.N.R. Rao. The only filmmaker to get Bharat Ratna was? Answer: Satyajit Ray. Who among the following was the first to receive the Nobel Prize? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. The first winner of the UN Population Award were? Answer: Indira Gandhi and Qian Zhang Hong. Who among the following was not a recipient of the Arjuna Award in 2019? Answer: Mezwan Patel. Who among the following was the first Indian to receive the Templeton Award? Answer: Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Durand Cup is associated with the game of? Answer: Football. Which of the following village has won the Water Award, an award instituted by Water Digest? Answer: Govardhan Eco Village. Which badminton player was honored with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2010? Answer: Saina Nehwal. Name the first Muslim woman to receive the Nobel Prize in the world. Answer: Shirin Ebadi. U-Tent Award is given for? Answer: Social Service. Which one of the following is the highest award in India? Answer: Bharat Ratna. How many Indians have so far been awarded the Nobel Prize? Answer: more than 4. The only couple to win the Nobel Prize were the? Answer: Curie. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in? Answer: 1979. Who instituted the Metta Award? Answer: Mahindra Group. Which of the following award is Sachin Tendulkar not awarded with? Answer: Dhyan Chand Award. Who is the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals? Answer: PV Sindhu. Who won the Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2021? Answer: Cyrus Poonawalla. Who has returned his Padma Vibhushan award in protest to the Farm Bill? Answer: Prakash Singh Badal.